Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Architect Learning Plan. Lecture 3, AWS Well Architected. The AWS Well Architected framework provides best practices and guidelines for designing and operating reliable, secure, efficient, and cost-effective systems in the cloud. It consists of 5 pillars. Operational excellence focuses on running and monitoring systems to deliver business value and continuously improve processes and procedures. Security emphasizes protecting information, systems, and assets while delivering business value through risk assessments and mitigation strategies. Reliability ensures a workload performs its intended function correctly and consistently by incorporating redundancy, recovery planning, and scaling. Performance efficiency uses resources efficiently to meet system requirements and to maintain efficiency as demand changes and technologies evolve. Cost optimization avoids unnecessary costs and ensures efficient resource allocation through budgeting, monitoring, and financial management practices. By adhering to these pillars, organizations can build robust and scalable applications in AWS that meet their business and technical objectives.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.